everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Belle and today we are doing my Boxycharm unboxing. I did already peek in here after I received my box like last weekend, but I don't exactly remember what everything was, so maybe I'll be surprised this time. So let's just open it up and get started. So the first thing I see in this box is this card stating this month's theme, and that is Galaxy Glow. I do recall that there were a couple of very glowy products in here. Ooh, this is so exciting. Okay, so the first thing I see in this box is obviously this brush set. So this is a crown brush 3-piece pro brush trio. These brushes are super cute. They're white with pink little tips and pink the crown logo right here. They actually really remind me of those Wet n Wild brushes that came out like last year or something with the white handle. The handles are plastic, so they don't feel like the nicest quality, but the bristles are pretty soft. These brushes are $29.99 retail price, and that already paid for our box. So we'll definitely try to use these to put on the other products in the box. So let's move on from this for now. So the next thing I see in the box, I'm going to grab this CoverFX thing. So this is the CoverFX Shimmer Veil in Amethyst. Retail price $28. These multi-shimmering cream colors are crease-proof enough for the boldest of eye looks and formulated with a weightless finish for a shimmering effect anywhere on the face. I don't think I'm gonna do any eye look in particular with this. I'm just gonna try it out because I've never actually tried using these before. We're just gonna apply it to my lids and blend it out and see how that looks. On first impression, it's really pretty and it has dried down now on this eye. So this is actually really fun. I'm probably not gonna wear it on my eyelids like this ever again, but it's kind of a fun look. I kind of look like I'm from a 90s music video or something, but that's cool. I'm gonna definitely play with this more and see what kind of looks I can come up with. Okay, I guess I will go in and finish up the eyes with this eyeliner pencil. Vintage by Jessica Liebskind. It's a Smokey eye pencil in jet black. It is retail price $21. I'm pretty picky with my black eye pencils because I have very oily lids and I only want the ones that will stay on and do not smudge. This says Smokey eye pencil, so that makes me nervous because usually Smokey eye pencils are very smudgy. But I guess let's just put this on and give it a shot. So I'm just trying to get as close as possible to the lash line since I already have mascara on. Tight line just a little bit with it as well. I'm not going to create a wing, but I am going to take a brush and smudge it out just a little bit. So I did smoke this out a little bit and it did smudge really nicely. Hopefully it doesn't continue to smudge throughout the day. I mean, that'll be the ultimate test. Not the most exciting, but good to have. I feel like you can't really have too many black eyeliner pencils as long as they don't smudge throughout the day. Alrighty, moving on. We are going to go straight for this palette in here. I'm so excited for this. So this is a Naked Cosmetics Holographic Highlighter Collection. Look at that. All sorts of colors of highlighters. I've never had anything like this before and I'm kind of excited. So this is the Naked Cosmetics Holographic Highlighter Palette. Its retail price is $39.99, $40, nice. I'm just gonna go ahead and swap these real quick on my hand because I really want to see what they look like. Okay, I'm just gonna start from here, go into this pink shade right here. Oh my god. Pretty. Okay, and then next I'm gonna go into this purple lavender shade. Yes, this. Oh my god, this is so beautiful. Then next I'm gonna go into this. This is like a pink with a purple bluish shift almost. Yeah, look at that. Oh, okay, next I'm gonna go into this green, this mint green, which I will probably never use, but it's so beautiful. Oh my god, that's super pretty. Actually, that would be great for like an inner corner when you're, oh my god, I'm so using this as a St. Patrick's Day inner corner highlight. I'm gonna do that. I need to remember to do that. Next is this beautiful pastel-y powder blue. Oh my god, it's so pretty. This one's a little less soft than the others. Huh, that's interesting. Okay. And then last but not least, this yellow highlight. It's definitely not gold, it's definitely yellow. Oh, it's so pretty. Yes. So I think I'm gonna go into this first pink for a cheek highlight. And I'm going to use, let's see, one of these brushes from this box. I'm going to use this medium one. I feel like when I'm done with this unboxing, I'm going to be rainbow highlighter faced. Whoa. That's, whoa. Do you see that? That's very pink. Oh my gosh. I think this brush might be a little dense for this as well. So we're just gonna work with it. It looks so much darker in person than it does on camera. I don't know what's going on there, but like I said, we're gonna be rainbow highlighter face after this. I'm gonna go in with this purple to highlight the brow bone, and for that I'm gonna use this little brush. I think that'll be perfect for the brow bone. Yeah, so at this point you can tell that I'm not really trying to do a cohesive look right now. I'm just trying to show these products I got in my box and try to use as many of these highlight shades as possible. I was really excited for this palette, but now I don't feel like it's very wearable. Do I even want to highlight my nose? That's scary. With these colors, I don't know if I should. Should I? I probably should, just because why not? We're already at this point. I'm going to use the yellow to highlight the bridge of my nose. Do you guys know that girl Shay, that girl Shay XO, she does a lot of ColourPop live swatches, and this is kind of turning into one of those where we just have mismatched colors going on all over the face. But that's okay, it's just an unboxing. I'm not doing a tutorial here. Oh, let me do my inner corner. I want to use the pink with the purple shift as my inner corner highlight. When I put that in my inner corners, it's like just full on blue. Is there any shifting to that pink that you can see? I don't know. Let's move on. I am going to try to highlight, I'm gonna attempt to highlight my nose with that yellow. And there you have it, my yellow nose tip. Ooh, that up a little bit. I have a gold nose and purple eyes and pink cheeks. It's a look. Okay, I think I'm just gonna move on to the last item in the box. This is a pure X-Faux Lips Plumping Lip Exfoliator. So it sounds like this is a lip exfoliator that plumps your lips. That's really exciting. MSRP is $17. With an instant boost of shea butter, raw sugar, and exfoliating beads, this 4-in-1 lip scrub pencil exfoliates, plumps, hydrates, and soothes. Using the shea butter to soften lips while the raw sugar and exfoliating beads are used to buff away dead surface cells. It moisturizes the lips for a softer, smoother, more plump lip. That actually worked really well. It got all the dead skin off my lips, and I actually do feel like it's kind of plumping. At first, when I was scrubbing it, it was like kind of tingly. It's still kind of tingly actually, but I did feel like it made my lips look just a little bit bigger. I'm gonna go ahead and put some lipstick over that. So recapping all the items we got in this month's box, these brushes. I am excited to use this as a blush brush actually, as well as using this for contouring. Even though today I used it for highlighter, I would not recommend it for highlighter. It is pretty dense for a highlighter brush. This one's probably a great shader brush. It was really good for under the eyebrow, probably pretty good for packing on eyeshadow and probably like highlighting the bridge of your nose and Cupid's bow. This CoverFX Shimmer Veil, I am super excited to keep using this. It's a really pretty color. Definitely gonna be playing around with this more in the future. This eyeliner, not super thrilled about. It's just an eyeliner to me, to be honest. This Naked Cosmetics highlighting palette is absolutely gorgeous. I don't know how much use I'm honestly gonna get out of it, but I love it. I think I love the idea of it more than I actually love it in action, especially used as a highlight. I think I'm gonna play around with these more as eyeshadows or even like eyeshadow toppers. Think they'll be really pretty for that, and really interesting inner corner highlights, I think. Definitely using this green for St. Patrick's Day. Somebody hold me accountable, please. And then lastly, this Pure Lip Plumping Exfoliator. I really like this and I'm gonna keep using this more. I don't think I've ever used something where I just like put it on my lips and scrubbed off my dead skin that quickly. Like every other lip scrub, even the ones I've made at home on my own, have been pretty so-so when it comes to like actually getting the dead skin off your lips, but this did it in like 5 seconds. So I'm really amazed. So this and the palette and the CoverFX Shimmer Veil are definitely my favorites for this month. Alright, so that is it for my Boxycharm unboxing for the February box. If you liked this video and you want to see more, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Let me know what you got in your box this month, either in the comments or hit me up on Instagram. That's where I am most of the time. My handle is @BelEthereal, and I think that's it, guys. I'm going to sign off now. Hope you are having a lovely day, and until next time, I will see you later. Bye-bye. It smells like plastic. Ugh. Ugh, that's so gross. Okay, at least it's not going on my lips. What am I trying to say? What am I trying to say? Oh, brow bone.